So today we're going to be taking a look at the RaceDayQuads toolkit, which I just picked up just a few days ago. Shipping is really fast. Just got it in the mail today. So it costed around 20 bucks, and it actually does come with a lot inside of it. So first off, we have some wire cutters. There's a spring in them so they stay open, which is really nice. There's some rubberized material on the handles, pretty high quality. Then we have some scissors. It's always useful to have these around, so nice that they included those. And everything has an elastic little band to hold them down in their little slot. Then next we have the needle nose pliers, just like the wire cutters. Spring, really nice, pretty high quality. They look good too. Nice black metal on the tip. Then over here in the middle there is a pouch. I decided to put some zip ties in there because you never have enough zip ties. Next, it's more useful if you have a soldering iron in the field, but there are some angled tweezers. Pretty similar to some tweezers that I already have, but yeah, always good to have those, especially when you're doing some field repairs. Then next we have a prop wrench. I usually use a ratcheting tool to remove my props, but this will do just as good. It's a little more work, but it's always good to have more prop tools. You never know. Then next in the toolkit we have a 2.5 millimeter, I don't know if you can see that, 2.5 millimeter hex driver. I don't know if you could see, but a really nice tip. It looks like it'll hold up well. There is a set screw in here, so I assume that you could replace these tips if they wear out or strip or something. Handles are nice. They have a texture on them, so you won't be losing grip of these. The only thing I do find odd is they are hollow on the inside, and they do not come with caps. I know my other set of hex drivers which sit on my bench do come with caps on them. I don't know if they'll fit. Yeah, they fit. They fit on there. But I'll keep them on my bench tools because they came with them. Then next in here we have a Phillips head screwdriver. Just again, once again, nice tip on there, textured. I don't know if these are magnetic. Let me try to find a screw, see if it will hold on to it. These are not magnetic. I don't know if you could see. It is not catching onto it. I could easily fix that. Quick tip: if you run a magnet along this a few times, spend a couple minutes doing that, it will magnetize the screwdriver, and it's always nice to have magnetic screwdriver tips. And the last piece of equipment in this toolbox is a flathead. Same thing as the rest of them. Nice. And actually, I did skip over one thing. You have a 2 millimeter hex wrench. I believe this will work good for most screws on frames, like these ones on my QRVR. And that is just about it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like for more content. Thank you.